The first thing as a new user is to get onboarded. It'll walk you through a few different things about the app, such as our mood check-in feature, AI journaling and reflections feature, and some actionable opportunities. First, it'll ask you for your name. Then, it'll ask you about your gender. From here, you'll select your birthday and tell it what state you live in. If you're outside of the US, we have an option for that too. Once you select your state, it's going to ask what goals you would like to work on. There's a bunch of options for me to pick from. Then it's going to ask what holds you back, what roadblocks may be in your way. Select a few that make sense. Then it's going to ask what guides your sense of purpose or meaning. Next, you're going to take our quick assessment. This questionnaire has 3 questions around health, 3 questions around wealth, and 3 questions around purpose. These are the 3 pillars of mental health, or as we call it, the Brightn Zone. After you answer these questions, the app will use your responses to generate your Brightn Zone, as well as a personalized wellness plan for you to build off of. Once it's complete, it's going to give you your Brightn Zone. You can see your chart at the top there, and it's going to give you some recommended actions that you can take to start working on improving your mental wellness. You can click and add them to your plan, commit to a weekly goal or a monthly goal, depending on the task. And once you have things added that you want to work on, you can click continue, and it's going to take you to the next step. Here, you'll create your account. Once you sign up, it'll ask you for a security code. And then it'll take you to the payment screen. You can select your plan, or if you're under an organization, you can enter your code there and it'll give you premium access. This is the Brightn home screen.